We are continuing with the equation of a straight line. Here the question is, a line through origin meets the line this at right angles. Fine. So we have a line which is passing through the origin, and we know that the coordinates of origin are 0 and 0, and meets this line which is 2x equal to 3y plus 13 at right angles. So both the lines are perpendicular to each other and it meets it at a point Q, right? He wants us to find the coordinates of this point Q. Now the point is, how do we find this Q? So if we know the equation of this line and the equation of this line, the point of intersection of those two equations will be the point Q actually, right? We have the equation of this line, but we don't have the equation of this line. So we can find the equation of this line. How? Point is given, but slope is not given. We can calculate the slope from this line. Then product of their slopes is -1. Then we can apply the slope m1 into m2 equal to -1. We can find the slope of this line. Let the slope of this line be m1 and the slope of this line be m2. So here the equation is, let's shift this to this side. We'll get 3y is equal to 2x minus 13. So my y will be 2 by 3x minus 13 upon 3. So what is my m2? The coefficient of x here. I have converted this into the standard form. So this is 2 by 3, right? Now I know that these two lines are perpendicular to each other. So product of their slopes is -1. Now m2 is 2 by 3 equal to -1. This gives me m1 as -3 by 2, right? So I have found the slope of this line, which is -3 by 2. Fine. Now I have the slope m1, which is -3 by 2. I also have the point O, 0 and 0. I can find the equation of this line. How? Therefore, equation of a line is y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1. So this is my x1 and y1. So y minus 0 is equal to -3 by 2 into x minus 0. So 2y is equal to -3x. So if I shift this to this side, I'll get 3x plus 2y equal to 0. Fine. Now I have the equation of this line as 3x plus 2y equal to 0. I also have the equation of this line. Their point of intersection is giving us this point Q. Now I will solve these two equations and get the values of x and y. That will be the point of intersection, that is Q. So I have 3x plus 2y equal to 0, and I also have 2x minus 3y equal to 13. So if I multiply this equation by 3 and this by 2, I will get 9x plus 6y equal to 0, and here I will get 4x minus 6y equal to 26. So if I add these two, this will go 13x equal to 26, which gives me x as 2. So I have found x, right? Now I'll substitute the value of x in any of the two equations. Let me substitute it here. So I will get 2 into 2 minus 3y equal to 13. Minus 3y is equal to 13 minus 4. Minus 3y is equal to 9. So y is equal to -3. So I got y also. So I have calculated the coordinates of Q, which is the point of intersection of these two lines, as 2 and -3.